YouTube, what's the deal? Cold day here in Detroit, man. Giving y'all some more content. I told y'all I'm gonna stay consistent with the content. And with that being said, I didn't have much to do today. For one, because it's cold as shit outside. And for two, I didn't have really much to do. So instead of me going to the shop to get my diffuser put on, I'm gonna try to do it myself actually. So it should be pretty simple. It looked like it's just a couple of clamps that you gotta take out, maybe a few screws. So I'm gonna try to take my old diffuser off and put my new one on, because the new one looks much better. It goes more better with my SCATPACK. So and with the features and everything that I got on here already, I think it's gonna look a whole lot better. So I'm gonna let you guys check the process of that out, of me trying to install the new one. I don't got that much space here in the garage, so I'm gonna try to do the best I can as far as footage goes. Let me let you guys check it out. So this is the original one. You guys can see that. This is the original one. Nothing too fancy about it. I'm gonna take this one off and I'm gonna try to put my new one on. Hopefully I got enough space. Which I think I should. Like I said, it's kind of tight in the garage, but hopefully I got enough space. So we're gonna try to take these boys off and put the new one on. Let me see. Get this flashlight real quick. Yep, still work. All right, let's see. It's a little dark up under here, so as you can see, it looked like it's I don't think I gotta take this off, so it should be just 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. So I'm gonna take this off and see if that's all that we gotta take off to put this new one on. Like I said, I believe that's it. So we're gonna try to take it off and put the new one on, man. So let me get my tools situated. So you only need maybe a wrench. That looks like that's maybe a 5 or 6, just my guess. But we're gonna try to take it off and put this new one on, man. So this is the old one, as you can see. And I'm gonna put the new one on, which is right here. I'm gonna let you guys check it out once I get it already out the wrapper. But the new one's pretty sweet, so, and it's gloss black. So stay tuned, stay locked in, hit that notification button for me, share, like, comment, subscribe. You know, I appreciate the support. Big Scat gang. And I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get everything set up, and we're gonna try to get this process started, man. All right, so I got everything set up. This is the tool that I'm using. This is a 9x32. You can see it, which is the perfect fit you want to use to take them clamps off that I was showing y'all. So, like I said, I'm trying to take it off. maybe rocks up under here, so you may want to shake it a little bit. Don't get on the eyes. These the 4 bolts that I had to get off. So got that one, so it's 1. Oh shit, my bad. It's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I don't know if I think I gotta take these off too. I'm gonna see, but we gonna see. Oh, I gotta pop these out too. So you gotta pop this out as well on the side right here, on both sides, this side and the other side. All right, so I was able to take the original diffuser off. It actually wasn't that hard. It's pretty simple. I don't know if I'm gonna have to take this part off right here. So this part, if you can see, this is I guess the end of it. I don't know if I'm gonna have to remove that or not. I'm gonna see, but I took the original one off right here. Like I said, it was pretty simple. It wasn't hard. You just gotta make sure when you're taking it off, you don't break these clamps. Just in case you wanna put it back on, you wanna make sure you keep these clamps. And just like they are, I kind of took my time and I ain't really pull it too hard. So the clamps on here is still good. So if I wanted to put it back on, I can put it back on. So this is the original one, which is off. Like I said, it was pretty simple. It wasn't hard. I'm gonna set that to the side. I'm gonna scratch it up. Let me set it to the side. Muddy a little bit, so you see it's off. The original one is off, and I'm going to install the new one. So set this up. So this is a new one. Let me turn it around. I actually got it the wrong way. So this new one right here. Try to keep it crispy. Gloss black. It already come with the holes in it, so hopefully I don't have to drill any additional holes. Hopefully the clamps that I got should go right into these. Gloss black. And I should just be able to place it right into these same clamps, which they already got on here. So if you see, they already got clamps on this one as well. Some of them come with the clamps, but some of them don't come with the holes. Sometimes you may have to drill holes in it. So hopefully these holes line up with the original ones. And just to be on the safe side, I'm going to just prepare it. So it's pretty, basically the same fit. It looked like the holes kind of line up perfectly. So it should go right on. Put this back to the side. deal. So I'm back giving y'all an update. I had started working on my diffuser, but I had a little trouble with putting it on. It was my first time putting it on. And you need kind of 2 people when you're putting it on. So I ended up going to the shop and had them put it on for me. So I just wanted you guys to check that out, see how it looked. Now that I got the new diffuser on, and it looks good, I like it. I'm waiting on the next thing to come in the mail, which is going to be the next modification. So make sure y'all stay locked in for that. SCATPACK is coming alive each and every time I drop a video. It's coming alive, man. So hit that notification button. Make sure y'all liking, sharing, subscribing, supporting Big Scat. We're gonna keep going up, man. We're gonna keep making progress, and we're gonna keep going after the goal we trying to go after, man. So without further ado, here's the new diffuser. It's dusty because it's gloss black, so it's a little dusty right now. I haven't wiped it off or nothing like that, but the new diffuser is on. Gloss black, just like the wheels, just like the center caps, just like the splitter. It's looking good, man. So the new diffuser is on. I may get it clean today. I'm not really sure yet. Just so it can shine a little bit more. But as you can see, the new diffuser is on. They got it on here looking good. Like I said, I attempted to put it on myself. It was another part that I had to take off that I didn't know, since this is my first time putting it on. But it does look good. I like it. Making it look even more aggressive in the back. So I'm giving you guys an update, letting you guys check that out. So the new diffuser is on. Maybe a little dirty right now, but we working, man. So stay locked in. We got more content coming. I got more uploads coming. I got more videos dropping. I got a whole lot more, man. So stay locked in. We gonna keep the content coming, keep it interested. And like I said, hopefully that I'm helping y'all at the same time, because you know, not only have I been dropping these videos, but I've been giving y'all ideas on prices, and for the most part trying to show y'all how stuff, you know, works as far as hooking up or anything like that. So you know, we gonna ride out. I got a few things I gotta take care of. Make sure I stay locked in tune. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned in for the next video, man. We got more footage coming. It's getting wicked, man. Big Scat.